Okay, first 2 times 2, 4, right? And then x squared and x to the third power, that's 5 x's, x to the fifth power. Right, then I multiply this. 2 times negative 1. All right, negative 2, x squared and x squared. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. All right, we added them together. We'll multiply the numbers out front and add the exponent. Then 2 times 3, 6. All right, x2 plus x1, x3. All right, x cubed. And then 2 times negative 5, okay, is negative 10. And since there's no x's here, then we're just going to use the x squared. Okay, and that will be our answer. A couple of things to notice. All right, first of all, it goes in descending order. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, if you end up with a 5 here and a 5 here, maybe something's not right. Okay, because they should be different if these are different exponents. Okay, that's one thing to notice. Also, if you start out with a 3, then you're probably not going to end up with a 3 right here because you're putting more x's in there. Okay, so it needs to go up. It needs to be bigger. Right, so we're adding the exponents. That's horizontal. I'm just going to put a little h for horizontal. Okay, then I'm going to show you the vertical method with the same problem. Okay, so this is our answer. And if it's a simple one like this with just one term outside the parentheses, sorry, I didn't do my last little rainbow, then it's fine. If you distribute, it's probably not difficult. But if it's a more complicated one, like the rest of them that we're going to see, it's probably better to do vertical. So this is vertical. Okay, it would be 2x cubed minus 1x squared plus 3x1 minus 5. Okay, times 2x squared. Okay, when we're doing vertical multiplication, you don't have to line it up. Okay, it's more like when we did multiplication in elementary school. Whenever you put the the smaller number here and then the bigger number on top. And then you multiply going right to left. Okay, we'll do 2 times negative 5, negative 10. There's no x's there, so it's x squared. Okay, then I do 2 times 3, 6, x squared times x1, x3. Okay, then I do 2 times negative 1, it's negative 2, x squared times x squared is x4. Right, then 2 times 2 is 4, x squared and x3 is x5. Okay, it gives you the same answer, but this is how you multiply vertically. And again, on this problem, it is probably easy to do it either way. But on the rest of them, I think that vertical multiplication will be better. Okay, this is V. H for horizontal, V for vertical. Same problem. All right, now, again, we're going to 9. This is probably going to be kind of a blast from the past. It totally was for me. It kind of reminded me of elementary school when we're doing multiplication. Okay, here we're going to have negative x squared plus 2x plus 4. And we're going to multiply it times x minus 3. Okay, so again, we're multiplying like we did in elementary school, where the bigger number is on top and the smaller number is on the bottom, and you're multiplying. Okay, and I'm going to add some 1s in here. Okay, I've got a 1 there. I'm going to add my 1 there for my exponent, a 1 here, and a 1 there for my exponent. Just 2 little things to help myself. Okay, and see if you remember this. It's gonna be very similar to elementary school. Okay, now we ignore this first, and we're just going to take the negative 3 and multiply it times all the things on top. Okay, negative 3 times 4, negative 12. Okay, negative 3 times 2x, negative 6x. And then negative 3 times negative 1x squared, positive 3x squared. Okay, it's pretty easy on that first one because there's no x with this number, this digit. So all of these will stay the same exponents. Okay, then what do we put here? Right, 0. Y'all remember that? Put a 0 there. Okay, and we move everything over 1. I'm just going to put a plus 0. Now we look at the x. Okay, we do the 1x times 4. All right, 4x. Okay, and now since we moved it over, it's already lined up with the 6x, or the minus 6x. Okay, then 1 times 2, 2x times x, x squared. Right, we got 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, and then 1 times negative 1, negative 1, x squared times x1, x cubed. Okay, everything moved over 1. The x cubed should be out there by itself. Okay, then what do we do? Add, right? Okay, I think that this is similar to how you did it. You didn't use x's probably in elementary school, but then we add. The reason we put the 0 there is because now everything is in the correct digits place, and now we can just add down. Since there's nothing to add this one with, it's negative 1x cubed. Okay, 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. Negative 6x plus 4x is negative 2x. And then this last one's always easy because you're adding with 0, negative 12.